diyan ba? Ang problema man go diya mismo sa eskwela napatuman ba? No? Awa ra go ipakita ra go ng Republic Act 10627. Kay klaro gi kay nang ato ang balaod aning anti-bullying, Brigada Arnel. Kay kining bullying, no, ay came across aning daghang kay mo paabot diri sa ato Brigada Arnel ng ilang mga anak na bully sa school. Pero minus ang gihimo sa eskwela to address anang ingon ni anak nga ma-resolve.
It's that very special time of year. The Treehouse Holidays are here. Filled with family and food,
Popcorn!
and gifts from above. There's Peppa and Thomas and Elmo to love. So put on your smiles and get ready to play because Treehouse is here for the whole holiday. Happy Holidays every Friday starting at 2:15 on Treehouse. Also available on Stack TV.
I think I'm more of a land mammal. Brace for impact! Whoa. If we're going into that jungle, we need to suit up for the job. Whatever this island throws at us, we'll be prepared. We are so not prepared! Run! I am running! I'm a bulldog! This is as fast as I can go!
This summer,
Dino Island is the greatest discovery in the world! I'm Rex. Why don't you let me show you around? Yeah! Welcome to my home sweet home. Whoa! It doesn't have a big screen TV or Wi-Fi. That's just my iCloud. He's always watching.
this island has the biggest diamond mine in the world.
Come here, beautiful.
When in doubt, we blast it!
That's a volcano! You're going to destroy the island! We need all the help we can get!
Take this moment.
Witness a big screen event
Stay cool, little dog.
of prehistoric proportions.
We've got an island saved. Who's with us? What was that? It's my stomach. Those baby dinosaurs ate all my pup treats. Oh, come on! No dino's too big, no pup's too small. I can do this.
Paw Patrol, the Dino Movie.
No fair! I want a dinosaur BFF. Best friends forever. Oh, ow, 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 ow! Okay, stop, never mind!
Nagliwanag ang kalangitan sa pagsabog ng fireworks display sa Engranding Kapuso Countdown to 2026 sa Pasay City.
Ilang segundo bago ang taong 2026, ganito ang eksena. Feel ang good vibes dito sa SM Mall of Asia at pasabog ang mga performances ng Sparkle Artists.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alas 6 ng gabi nabuksan sa publiko ang Kapuso Countdown to 2026. Libo-libo ang mga kapusong matyagang naghintay sa pagpasok ng bagong taon. Kasama nila ang kanilang mga pamilya o barkada. Marami sa kanila dumating ng umaga pa lang. May mga galing pang probinsya at meron din lumipad pa mula sa ibang bansa.
5 ng hapon nandito na kami. Tapos galing pa ng Japan. Diretso na dito yung bagay na sa sasakyan lang po.
Ako naman po, galing akong Quezon Province. Nagbiyahe pa ako ng 12 a.m. Makarating lang ng maagap dito. Galing pa po kami Valenzuela City. So we're just here to have fun. And we're looking forward for our PBB housemates like Mika Salamanca, then Kapuso Star, like Raver Cruz and Jolie San Jose.
Bali 12 p.m. pa po kami dito kanina pa po. And then ang inaabangan namin that supposedly dapat dito is yung AHOF. And then yung fireworks din po.
Galing pa po ako sa Mandaluyong. Kaninang umaga pa po ako. May dala po akong tarot at pang New Year po.
Mas lalong umingay sa Mall of Asia nang magsimula ang main show ng 10:30 p.m. Kabilang sa host si kapuso comedian Betong Sumaya, Christian Bautista, Team Yap at Miss Grand International 2025 Emma Tiglao. Nagpasaya ang mga kapuso artists sa kanilang oh-so-good performances. Kabilang dyan sina Julian San Jose, River Cruz at ilang PBB batchmates gaya nina Will Ashley, Vince Maristella, Charlie Fleming at AZ Martinez. Inabangan din sa countdown ang performance ng K-pop group na all-time Hall of Famer o AHOF. Ito ang unang balita. EJ Gomez para sa GMA Integrated News.